Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 33 of our CATIA V5 beginner series tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore two important features, the affinity and axis-to-axis transformation features. These two tools extremely useful to scale, stretch, reorient or remap existing geometry with precision. So let's go and start. Go to start, mechanical design and part design. I'm renaming this as affinity and axis to axis. And click on OK. Now we are into the part design workbench. Affinity. The affinity feature in CATIA V5 allows you to non-uniformly scale geometry along one or more direction. This means you can stretch, compress or proportionally transform a solid or surface in the XYZ direction. Common uses include creating tapered component, matching design envelopes, adjusting proportion without remodeling, localized dimensional correction. So let's go and create a part. Click on the XY plane, click on the sketch tool. In the sketcher workbench, click on the profile toolbar and create a rectangle here and give the dimensions. This one is, let's say, 50 and this is 100. And click on the exit workbench. Give the height by using pad 10 mm. Click on OK. Now I have an object. I will apply the affinity tool or command to this body. So let's go and select the affinity. In the scaling drop down, you will find the affinity tool. Click on the affinity tool. Now you can see different sections. In the affinity definition window, you will find the origin. You have to select the origin. You can select it, or by right clicking you can create a point at the center. Now this is at the origin of our model and click on OK. Now the origin is selected. Now select the XY plane and X-axis. Which one you want to be the XY plane and the X-axis? So I will select this one here and the X-axis this one as well. And this is my X-axis. Point at the origin. This face H XY plane and this axis, this edge H an axis, X-axis. Here I want the ratio. Give the ratio on the X. On the X I want 2. On the Y, H I have selected X and Y plane here, and this is my X axis. Now you can see by preview I have twice the X, so it will enlarge in X direction, and Y. Here also you can see the X axis about this one, Y is at the height and Z at the this direction. In the compass you can able to find that. If I change the X axis to this one, then also you can find the changes. Okay, and on the y-axis I want this is 0.5. Okay, now you can see the height is compressed, and on the z direction I want also this is 0.5 or 0.5, and now click on OK. Now you can see on the x direction it's enlarged, on the y and z direction it's compressed. So this is how you can apply your affinity tool to your body or object. Next is axis to axis feature. This tool allows you reorient geometry by mapping one axis to another. It is extremely useful when aligning parts created in a different coordinate system. Transferring components between assemblies, correcting wrongly oriented imported models, repositioning geometry without resketching. For that, so let's go and create another example for axis to axis. For that, what I will do, I will create another rectangle over here and give some height to this one. Let's say 100 mm. Okay, I want this one to be h. Right now it is on this center point and somewhere here. Let's click on the axis to axis. Yes, reference is create a reference axis for this one. At the origin, this is created. Origin is at the 0. Okay, now I want the target axis. For that I will create another axis system where the origin point is on the x direction, it is 100 mm from that one. Okay, on x direction. Right now you can see my axis is from the origin to 100 mm apart from the origin. Right now if I click on yes, okay, now you can see my body translate from my body is translate from the first axis to the target axis. Click on OK. Now you can see this is how we can use the axis to axis command or tool in CATIA. Here is the quick comparison. Affinity changes size non-uniformly in XYZ direction, and axis to axis reorients geometry by mapping coordinates. Both the tools are very useful for different causes in advanced modeling. In this tutorial, we learn how affinity allows non-uniform scaling. Axis and axis helps in reorient geometry using coordinate map. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab for more CATIA V5 tutorials. See you in next part where we will continue exploring other features in CATIA V5. Thank you for watching Enginuity Lab. See you on next video.